Hi guys, this is Sassy Shif says welcome back to my YouTube channel और आज के वीडियो में we are going to be reviewing together Agaro's portable blender. जी हाँ, ये एक wireless portable blender है and this has been lately my go-to blender for all things smoothies and juices and baby food. So if you want to know my first impressions and detailed review, then keep on watching. Okay, so guys, firstly, I really love the sleek color combination, the glass jar and the packaging. It's really easy to unbox as well and remove. अच्छे से इसमें thermocol का packing था, so even though the jar is of glass, it was not cracked. It came like in really pristine condition. सेकेंडली इसका जो जार है वो BPA फ्री है एंड इसका पूरा फंक्शन वन बटन ऑपरेशन है विच इज़ रियली अमेजिंग टू यूज एज अ मॉम हु इज ऑलवेज इन द रश. दिस ब्लेंडर इज पोर्टेबल विच मीन्स इट इज़ वायरलेस एंड जब आप यूज़ करते हैं तो there's no hassle of any wire, no tension कि switch off करना है, हमें adjust करना है उसका speed and all of that. You just have to charge it with a wire that you have it. It's a USB rechargeable wire and then once it's charged, you're just ready to use it on the go, in the gym, while you're traveling and anywhere else while you're on the move. इसके जो आप ब्लेड देख सकते हैं वो 6 sharp SS blades हैं which really make amazing smoothies. और अगर आपको उसमें आपका प्रोटीन शेक बनाना है, बेबी फूड बनाना है, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं मैंने बनाना मिल्क शेक बनाया with fresh cream and I added chunky peanuts just because I wanted to see the texture and the final result was so smooth it made an awesome banana smoothie. And also for the little one I wanted to make apple pancakes. For that I wanted a really smooth and evened out batter. तो मैंने इसमें यूज़ किया है apple, yogurt और milk and I got such amazing result. The pancakes turned out to be so smooth and the batter itself was really easy to work with, really easy to make. So अगर आप इसमें baby food बनाना चाहते हैं जो आपकी खिचड़ी होती है, अगर आपका small baby है तो वो rice particle चबा नहीं सकता, अगर आपको उसे grind करना है, smoother बनाना है तो उसके लिए भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. All types of juices, all type of protein shakes. Protein shakes also I've noticed taste really different in it because you know जैसे हम हाथ से shake करते हैं sometimes उसमें lumps रहते हैं and sometimes strawberries and other things don't get mixed up easily. So इसमें अगर आप blend करेंगे you will be a fan of your protein shakes which you can make on your own, wireless and just portable anywhere on the go. And usage भी इतना simple है, all you have to do is just tilt the machine to a 45-degree angle, press the button, get the desired effect of the smoothness and the consistency. And to clean as well, it's again very easy. Simply add 2/3 water to the jar and blend one full cycle of 45 seconds. You know, ये एक portable blender मेरा काम इतना आसान कर देता है. All my smoothies, juices, my baby food is ready in a jiffy in flat 25 to 30 seconds. I'm not kidding. उसका मुझे batter prepare करना पड़ता था. पहले I used to whip up with my hand, you know, pancakes जो मैं घर पे बनाती हूँ और other smoothies for him. Now I just toss everything in, all the fruits in my Agaro Galaxy portable blender and voila, it's ready within seconds and that saves up a lot of time for me. It is 450 ml. So अगर आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी बड़ा है और काफ़ी परफेक्ट साइज़ है. अगर आपको 2 glasses worth of smoothies या juices बनाने हैं तो even for one person it's like perfect. और आप इसे easily Amazon से खरीद सकते हैं. So this was me guys talking about my favorite portable blender by Agaro. If you want more such reviews and first impressions, then make sure to keep coming back to my channel, Sassy Shif says. Until then, keep it sassy guys.